my goodness, what is happening?
A bike or a trike?
Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we are going to be unboxing the Mooncool Fat 20. And we've also got some extra help from our friend Ron here. And we're gonna get started.
Well, this was in here.
Mm-hmm.
It is.
Bluish green.
I want to take that off. Got the other one. When you get down so far, there's a box in the corner. It looks clear though. Lift it out of there. Amanda, if I get in your way, you tell me.
You're good.
Yeah, that fits that. Don't see one work up. There it is. Just screws in there. According to that, I do need your T-handle. I thought I'd be able to screw it by hand. It's an awkward position, guys. Okay, where's the? Okay, that should sit in there, right? Right out of there. I guess I gotta loosen it up enough. There we go. All right, now we gotta take it off of this one too. You want? I didn't mean to. No, you can't do that.
No, you were correct. You were correct.
That wants to spin. Hear me anyway. Did you want to put that on there?
There you go. That's a good idea.
There we go.
I think that works.
And just take it. And I dropped the nut here somewhere.
I'm not seeing it.
Do I see it?
I don't see it.
It's in my lap, probably.
All right, we see who's doing all the work now and who's doing all the reading.
No.
The bookworm is doing the reading over here.
That's good. I just don't want to crimp her style. She's the main installer, and here I am moving right in.
That's okay. There's all the help I can get.
Get in there. Okay.
Should be. What a fiasco.
What a fiasco. It was me.
Jinx. It wasn't you. Or before those caps go on though. Before those caps go on there, we
Something else
gotta.
goes on there too.
Yeah, we gotta. There should have a bolt that screws into it,
There should be. There's
or a
not.
nut, or something. That's it.
This is the bolt.
Oh, it's on that. It's on that
And it's
cap.
on that. I guess you keep screwing till it pops.
Yeah, I would screw it on there a little bit and then pry that off.
That is weird. Is yours deeper? No, it's the same way, wasn't it?
There.
Is there a bearing? Is there a bearing on the outside of that one too? Both sides of it, Amanda?
It's.
Because the bearing's here.
No.
Was there one on that one?
Try to take this off.
Yeah, unscrew that again. Okay, stop. Now pry that off. Pry the plastic piece off. So that.
Well,
that
she got
stays
it
on.
locked on.
Well, it needs to get tight.
It was tight.
Finger tight. Don't you think we need to use a wrench on it to tighten it down so that wheel doesn't come off? It comes off. It's just gotta pull off.
Does it pop off?
I'm trying
I already pulled it. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
See,
you already pulled this one off.
yeah.
Okay, here I am. Glenn.
See that nut is stuck in there? We're trying to get that nut out.
Anything else?
Perfect.
Did it go on?
Not quite.
My bad. I thought I'd be a help. I think I was
You are a
a
help.
disaster.
Then why is
No,
it?
I'm kidding.
It's anyone's guess.
I didn't see the wire in there and didn't even think about it. Here I am rolling it, you know. Is everything good?
I think so.
Just hold it up a minute. Roll it.
It drags so much.
It's the brake.
It's just the brake that you think.
It's got to be centered.
Okay.
And what he probably got to do.
Good.
All you do is just snug that down, right?
Yep, just tighten it up so that cable is stiff. All that mayhem.
Is this good? Shouldn't that be flexible? That's crazy.
You can pull some of that through now. See if that.
Which one is it? The brake?
This is the brake. Wait a minute. Yeah, brake. I'm sorry.
I'm sliding it some. Okay, I got it. It's in.
It's in there where it's supposed to.
Yeah,
go.
it's in where it goes.
Okay, I'm gonna tighten this up.
Just so it'll slide through.
It came off anyway.
So 3 hours total probably to do it. That's a sharp looking bike, I'll
I
tell
like
you.
the color.
Yeah.
Me up there.
Yeah.
I did a lot of help for them early on.
Did you have to put that one together?
Looks
like it
it's
all-
no, it came mostly together. 20 by 4.
I like that.
Just like your deer, 20 by 4. But this is more of a street tire,
Yeah.
where those are
Knobby.
knobbies. There you go.
Got it?
I think so.
Yep, not lose. All right.
We don't have to, we won't put a basket on until we. Actually, those front brakes feel good. Yeah, those back ones gotta be adjusted. We're gonna loosen this. And then slide this up the cable. Pull some of that excess cable through. And then tighten it back down. And then we can check our brakes up here and see how they feel. Are they spongy? Not anymore. Now the only thing we got to worry about is making sure we didn't tighten it too much so that the brake pads are constantly squeezing, putting pressure on the disc, because we don't want that constant rubbing. So if it is, then we'll loosen this up and let some of this back out a little bit.
Well, that looks like a nice seat.
That does look pretty nice, doesn't it? I need a little roasted. That again. Try not to let it wiggle. We'll take. Woo! Coming right along.
How high do you want it? About there?
Oh, I don't know. No, it can go down a lot further than that. I'm not that tall. So, yeah, not bad.
feel that.
It's got that air cushion
Yeah.
there.
Air-cooled butt.
Air-cooled
Need
butt.
a little fan there.
Sticking out of the frame right there.
I thought maybe I didn't get it.
Oh, I'll blame you. Since you're so willing to accept.
Okay,
the
I'm sorry.
so really-
My favorite word, I'm sorry. I don't know, it needs air in the tires.
Probably 20.
Long ones on this.
We're in there. I got you.
It's there, but.
Yep.
79 degrees.
Oh, my battery's low.
Get it off. There. Got it. I got long fingers this time.
2.5.
5 Poor Amanda, I just probably moved in her way.
No, not
She'd
at
probably
all.
had it done by now.
3 days from now, I'm trying to do it myself.
Nah.
Pain in the butt.
There's something in here. Braces or something.
Do not lock it in. That doesn't want to lock in.
Oh my gosh. See you later.
What's that? Oh, that thing?
Oh, look.
Oh, good grief.
I had to adjust mine too, because when you turn the key on, it wouldn't lock.
I think you have to move this up,
Yeah.
because it's probably hitting down here at the bottom.
That's what I had to do on mine. My goodness, this is crazy.
That's
I'll
too
bet
low.
those go through,
The heck?
and then
That's
these
smaller.
pieces here probably go through here to adjust them to fit onto the bike. That one's fun.
Hey, I can handle it.
Huh?
I can handle it.
Yeah. Because it bolts down.
I think it hits here.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, I think that's what it was doing, because it wasn't going in all the way.
Oh, so you need to be able to slide it up.
Exactly. So I'm gonna try that. Now what's going there? Oops. Now she locks in. It wasn't locking in before because this
Yeah.
part was sitting down here.
Mine did the same thing, but it had it's just a little cheap one-piece wire on it.
Yep.
It'll need the directions. I know what this is. This is what goes on there, what hooks onto this basket to be able
Yeah, to pinch
to
it.
hold it down.
Yep, to pinch it. Hold it down.
This would be nice to have for my bed.
See if it's even gonna power up. We still got, ouch. We still got one down here. We need.
What was that?
One of those bolts on this chassis.
Oh, yeah.
Which one was it then?
That one. You can see it.
Is that the only one? Might as well double check these two. I know you did that.
Those are tight.
Yeah, I know we did those.
You can see them. Good eye. You started going, the back wheel's going this way and the front one going the other. It's up easier than mine. Boy, that thing wobbles.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, what is happening?
Is it a bike or a trike?
What do you think? Watch out, Toby.
Ooh, I think you need to ride it. Come try it.
Are you kidding me?
Come here.
I don't want to kill myself.
Be careful on the turns.
Yeah, I can see that.
You want to borrow a helmet?
No, I hope not. What, it's throttle, right?
Uh-huh.
Don't, there it goes.
Those,
Why is it not wanting to go?
you don't have enough.
Oh, okay. We'll get it over here. Boy, it does lean.
It leans bad, doesn't
Boy.
it?
I ain't gonna put it on 2 wheels. Your turn, Manda.
Oh no.
How about there, Amanda?
Thank you.
I mean, it's fun. It's just
Oh, it is,
little,
man. It's
a little squirrely.
It's a yeah. You'd get used to it.
Yeah.
I turned it easy like she did, but you can still see that wheel come up a little bit.
Yep, for sure. Here comes a car, Amanda.
Coming. Let me get out of it. I'm sorry.
No, you can. Watch, don't trip over your bike.
It's quieter than mine.
It is pretty quiet.
I think you get used to it
Yeah.
and what it does. Oops, there's you were up.
Trying to doing a little two-wheel in there, Amanda.
Oh dear.
What do you think? You can
Um,
get used to it.
yeah, I could get used to it.
Yeah, I mean, you could ride it as a two-wheeler or a three-wheeler. Your choice, really.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Mooncool TK2. Whoa. Okay, what's it called again?
TK1 Fat 20.
The Fat. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Mooncool Fat 20. Ron's not here anymore because he had to go make a sandwich. Nope. Okay. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this Mooncool 20 Fat Tire. No, Fat Tire. Fat 20. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Mooncool Fat 20. We have a couple things that we need to work on this, but otherwise we are leaning in the right direction. A big thanks for Ron. He was a huge help today. Sometimes 3 monkeys are better than 2. So give us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.